This is Tanya from Big Baby Digital with just a quick video with some quick tips about what would make you a good editor. And I think these are the top three things that would make someone a good editor. Okay? Rule number one. Follow directions. Okay? Be able to follow directions that your client gives you. If they want a 5-minute video, okay, don't make it a 10-minute video. Make it a 5-minute video, or as close as you can get to the 5. Number 2, offer revisions. Offer from like, hey, I'm gonna get this rough cut to you, and just know you'll have a chance to move things around or add something or take something out. So that way it gives them some accountability for the edit, not just putting it all on you to create the story, but it gives them comfort in knowing that what you give them the first time, they don't have to stick with that. So always be willing to make revisions to be a good editor. Number 3, overpromise, underdeliver. So if it's something you think you can do in a day, I'd say give yourself 3 days, a week, five business days. And that way you won't seem like, you're not considering their time. Usually with edits that you have to turn around faster, those are the one that things will come up, things will go wrong. So always give yourself some extra time and be timely. So that's pretty much it. 3 general rules to be a good editor. 1, follow directions. 2, offer revisions, at least 1. 2 or 3 might be necessary. And number 3 is be timely. Okay, the faster you can edit, the more projects you can do, the more money you can make, the better you can get. This has been The Real Tanya with Big Baby Digital. That's my tip for today. Hope you guys have a good night, and hey, keep editing. Good night, good morning, wherever you are in the world. Keep editing. Somebody needs your skills. Peace.